So our lamp fosters appreciation for ecological processes and biodiversity by bringing lesser known aspects of natural world to people.
We do that in two ways. We have the physical part of the project, which is the ocean waves, the swell waves and the wind waves, which are these really nice sinusoidal movements in our project. And then, of course, the environmental part, which is the bioluminescent algae, which have this sort of glittering movement and move along in harmony with the swell, the algae, and sort of glitter on the surface. It's quite mesmerizing to look at.
We were sort of drawn in by this bioluminescent sort of aspect of oceans that we see in certain parts of the world, and we wanted to bring that into the home. So we had this idea of illuminating the unknown and shining a light on these really cool complex waves patterns that you can see in the ocean and how that interacts with bioluminescence in this sort of compact desktop form factor of a lamp.
And indeed, by exposing people to these aspects that they might not otherwise be familiar with, because of course the ocean is a place that not many people are privileged enough to visit, we hope to build some sort of connection for people to the ocean.
So we started from making concept, right? After that, we tested over and over again.
The unique thing about our wave sculpture uses individual servos, and this means that we can display any waveform, or actually any shape really, on our device.
We thought it would be really interesting to experiment with individually controlling each point of the wave to create these more complex and more dynamic ocean surfaces.
And thus, we can capture live wave data anywhere in the world and display that on the device. So this gives it quite a personal connection to each user, as this location can be set to either their hometown, their favorite spot, or any place really that they might feel any particular affection to. Additionally, the user can actually, through gestures, interact with the lamp. And by interacting with it excessively, the shade of the LEDs will actually turn red to represent ocean eutrophication.
We wanted to symbolize humans' interaction with the real world environment and the process that often happens as a result of this, which is eutrophication.